Hey everyone, it's Doc Progeny here. Today we're going to talk about what do you do when you first got Progeny. You want to get it installed and get it registered. Now, there's going to be a couple of videos about this, but this video is all about licensing the standalone copy of Progeny. So what do you do? So there's a couple of things that may happen, but first thing, you use the installer, install Progeny Clinical on your computer. You'll end up with a Progeny 10 icon on the desktop. What you need to then do, double click on that icon, and it's going to pull you up to either a login screen or it's going to pull you straight up to what you're seeing on the screen now, which is this registration window. If you get the login first, log into the demo database that's selected as a local database with the username Progeny and the password Progeny. And then the next screen you'll get will be this one. So what you need to do if you're using the local registration is click local, then type in your customer number, which will have been provided to you. Then type in your username. And then type in the product that you want to license. Typically, it's going to be Progeny Clinical. Then you're going to want to click Send Request, and you should get an error message that looks something like this. But it does tell you where to go to look for that file. So you can see here, it's in my case, it's in my Documents Progeny 10 folder. So let's open up a window, go to Documents, Progeny 10, and you'll see here is the license file that I've just created. And what you then need to do is copy that license file, and email it to. And what's going to happen is I will then send you back the license file that's been validated for use. So what happens once you've done that? Well, what you need to then do is pull up that license file. And here's one that I have done earlier. You'll see it there. You can drag and drop directly from the email. So if you've had this emailed to you, simply drag it from the email. Otherwise, do as I've done, which is save it onto the desktop and then drag it up. You'll see as going over this window, you get a little plus sign, and then you should end up with a little successful thing like this. Click OK, and you will then find yourself in Progeny 10, like so. Let's go. I'm going to close that. So that's how you do your licensing for a standalone copy. Like I say, if you have any problems, we will walk you through this process and help you. It's pretty straightforward, but that's kind of how you do it. As always, like and subscribe, and any questions, just pop me a message. Okay, well, thank you very much.